SigmaDesign. We're a product development consulting firm. Been in business for 23 years, and we help people take their concepts through production. We use whatever method makes sense at the time. 3D printing's been real useful for us. The benefit of the multijet fusion is material quality. That's great. It's also pretty quick. We're able to run a print, and the next day we have a part in our hand.
This technology is pretty unique. Before, 3D printing has been for prototypes or for form and fit, but because this is the whole solution for a production part, you can create end-use parts as strong as injection molding. And the ability to make a simple change and have parts as quick as overnight is pretty huge. So your assembly line doesn't need to stop production.
Now you can design stuff that can't be molded. And that, I think, is a huge benefit because it really frees up the engineers to think outside the box. They don't have to be constrained by the rules of injection molding or even of conventional machining. And so then the multijet fusion is great.
Today is a really exciting time because we're finally on the precipice of the digital manufacturing revolution. We've been talking about this for years, but it's finally here, and the MJF is bringing us there.